Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get high jump in Evade. Mastering high jumps is a fundamental skill that significantly enhances your ability to navigate the game world and evade dangerous entities. We will cover everything from basic techniques to advanced strategies, ensuring you can reach new heights and outmaneuver any threat. Get ready to elevate your gameplay and become a master of aerial movement. Let's start with the basics. Your primary tool is the jump key, usually the spacebar. A simple press will give you a standard jump, allowing you to clear small gaps or reach low ledges. Focus on the timing. A well-timed jump can make all the difference. Consistent practice will help you internalize the game's jump mechanics, making your movements more fluid and predictable. Now, let's elevate your game with advanced strategies. Combining a sprint with your jump significantly boosts both your horizontal and vertical reach, allowing you to clear wider gaps and higher obstacles. Look for environmental cues, like small ledges or ramps, to gain an extra boost. Mastering the bunny hop, chaining multiple jumps, maintains momentum and can be incredibly effective for continuous evasion. To truly optimize your high jumps, pay attention to subtle details. Adjusting your camera angle can provide a clearer view of your landing zone, crucial for precision. Your character's current movement speed directly impacts jump distance, so factor that in. Remember, consistent practice across different in-game situations is key. The more you jump, the more intuitive and effective your aerial movements will become.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.